Hello everybody, welcome back to Healthy Birds. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to make a shredding cup toy. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and family for more Healthy Birds DIY bird toys. Today, I saw Yopie being so bored. I need something to make him occupied, which is a toy. I tried to search online, but most of them are too expensive. There are a lot of toys online, but most of them are very expensive. When you are buying bird toys, make sure you're using a material that's safe for your bird to chew. This toy over here has got a lot of things that my lovebird could destroy, but the problem is it's so expensive. I think I could make one with a plain paper cup. So let's get started. So shredding toys are toys that your bird can destroy safely. The functions are to keep your bird occupied, to trim your bird's beak, to avoid birds being stressed, and avoid feather plucking birds. So, you need to prepare ruler, scissor, paper cup, pencil colors, paper clip, plain copy paper, origami papers, twine or thread, wooden spoon, and popsicle sticks. First step, fold your origami paper into a small square. You basically need to fold it twice. Then cut your origami paper into small squares. You will end up with 4 squares, and most of them are super small. There are 2 techniques on doing this. First one is that, and the second one is to just open the origami paper and cut them out. Using the folds are the guide to cut them out. Now poke some hole in the middle with a pencil. Take your copy paper and pencil color, then color it. Then cut out the color paper into strips. Now poke hole on the bottom of your paper cup. You can use scissors to do that. Now, put your popsicle sticks and paper cup to your twine or thread. I would suggesting using twine, the natural one, of course, so your bird can just destroy the twine too. Tie a few knots just to make it secure. Now take your popsicle sticks and cut it in half, just like this. Now loop it to the thread, just like that. This helps make everything more secured by popsicle sticks. Then, put your cup inside it too. For the next step, stuff your paper strips into the paper cup. It's super fun for your bird to destroy, and there are so many paper strips to destroy. They will totally like it. For the next step, loop your paper squares inside the twine tube. A lot of paper make your bird really get occupied too. Plus, it adds a rainbow attachment to your toy creation. Now you want to do the same thing to all the other 8 ones too. You want to be extra careful in order to not damage or open too much hole in the paper. Now take your paper clip and put it on to secure. The easiest way is to use paper clip because it just attaches at your bird cage nicely and they wouldn't be able to take it off too much. Now you just wanted to tie some knots to make it secured. Now take your wooden spoon and put it as a nice attachment. Now your bird is happy, they got a new toy, and most importantly, your bird will be occupied. Better plucking is avoided. The toy also looks pretty great. Now, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to see you later again. See you later, bye!